Strong Mag. 5.2 earthquake, Russia, off East Coast of Kamchatka on Tuesday, March 14, 2023 at 10:01 p.m. local time, according to the German Research Center for Geosciences GFZ reported. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. I felt this quake. Quakes in Russia, Kamchatka, SAKHA. Strong magnitude 5.2 earthquake at 10 kilometers depth, is 100 accurate, and do not forget to share our videos. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.